Hi, I'm Viola. Subscribe to my channel and I will take you into my world of craftsmanship, passion and love. Welcome to episode 4. I hope you are very excited for the very first vegan recipe. Foodborne. Follow me in my story because in every episode I will show you my genuine and unique recipes. Today I'm going to tell you how I started creating unique vegan recipes. If you cannot wait and you want to order already now, go online or come and visit me in the pastry shop. It was in 2019 when the shop was running for 1 year and people were enjoying the pastry I was creating. I really felt I wanted to create something new and great. All my pastry contains only 8% sugar and no additives compared to what other bakers produce on average. And yet I wanted to give more than my regular assortment based on Dutch, Italian and French traditions. I wanted to do more and explore more, new flavors, new diets, new techniques and new lifestyles. In May 2019, I attended the very first vegan patisserie course in the UK at a very famous chocolate academy. Of course, I had to call ahead and make sure that they did not work with any additives and they made all the pastry from scratch. This is the key in my pastry. I was happy to hear that they shared the same ideas. No additives and making everything from scratch. My mother also joined me in my trip to the UK. It was wonderful to share the experience with her and already give her a taste of what vegan patisserie could be. And once again, Giovanni proves to me how much he supports me by taking care of our daughter Ingrid while I was learning. In the UK, I did 1 day of confectionery and 2 days of patisserie, fully plant-based. And I loved every minute of it. It was fantastic to share this passion with others. I really enjoyed it. I returned home full of inspiration and ready to start a new challenge. Because what are you going to do when you come from the UK to the Netherlands and you have to find ingredients to make vegan patisserie?
Wat doe je dan? Cliffhanger?
I'll tell you next week.
Nee! Vertel het nu.
I wanted to take everything that I learned and not simply copy, but really create whole new vegan recipes made by Violas. But that's a topic for another episode. I have to be completely honest with you. I was not sure I wanted to share this recipe on YouTube. It turned out so good, I actually wanted to keep it a secret. But then I thought the idea of creating this channel was to show you how great my pastry can be. So please go and make this recipe and enjoy. The ingredients you will need for this wonderful vegan chocolate cream are 275 grams of coconut milk. If you use the coconut from a can, the cream will be a lot richer than when you use coconut milk or coconut drink from a container. 150 grams of water, 35 grams of custard powder, 75 grams of sugar, 100 grams of almond butter, 3 grams of sea salt, 200 grams of vegan butter, 110 grams of cacao butter, and 180 grams of vegan milk chocolate. Start the recipe by bringing the coconut milk and the water to 40 degrees. Combine the custard powder with the sugar and mix well. Oh, heet! When the coconut reaches about 40 degrees, you pour a little bit over your custard and sugar mixture. Stir well. En dan komt ze dichterbij en dan gaat ze het filmen.
Gewoon een beetje. Dat is gek doen.
Once well combined, pour the mixture back into your pan. And bring it to a boil, all the while stirring well.
Is the magic of the custard.
When the mixture boils,
Bluppede bluppede blup, zie je dat?
add your sea salt and your almond butter. This is wonderful stuff, by the way. It will really give you a nice flavor. Lower the heat a bit and continue to cook for a minute or 2. Don't forget to stir. It already smells amazing. Take the mixture off the heat and add your cacao butter.
Voila!
When the cacao butter is fully absorbed by your cream, put your chocolate in a bigger bowl. Because then we can pour this mixture on top of the chocolate.
Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Wonderful.
This is great. And please scrape out everything from the bowl to make sure that your recipe turns out delicious. We have the cream and the chocolate. We're going to use a hand blender to emulsify to make sure you get a wonderful cream. If you do not have this hand blender at home, you can use any blender you have. Just make sure you try not to incorporate too much air into it. But we're not done yet. We still need to add the vegan butter, piece by piece, and make sure it's at room temperature so the cream incorporates the vegan butter very well. Ding, 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 ding! When fully combined, you can start to enjoy. Watch this.
Yoo-hoo!
Ta-da! So the cream is done. Let's try. It's a bit liquid at the moment, but the flavor should be there. Oh my god, this is really good. You have to try this, but I have a little secret for you. If you put this cream for about 5 or 6 hours in the fridge, or preferably overnight, it's going to be a totally different cream. Ta-da! If you whip it up, oh, it becomes this wonderful cream. And I think this will taste even better. I'm going for it. You should too. Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and that you're going to try this recipe. And if you like it, please press like. Next time we will be making a vegan hazelnut chocolate tartelette. Stay tuned. If you would like to hear more about my story, follow me in my dreams to come and watch me make and taste delicious pastry. Then subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media.